Good morning and welcome to the Voice of Melbourne. Our next stop is the emotional jumping castle that is the 86 Tram. The 86 Tram is one of the longest tram lines in Tram and runs between Melbourne's wasted potential of Docklands and the New South Wales border of Bundoora. Stretching 11 suburbs and over 22 kilometres of track, the 86 Tram counts among its patrons some of Nam's wealthiest and poorest inhabitants in a truly spectacular blend of psychotic class schizophrenia. My initiation into the 86 Tram as an 18-year-old in 2007 was to watch someone get bottled and have a dude march up and down the tram declaring himself the King of Fitzroy. Equal and opposite reactions to this baptism of fire include the bedroom philosopher writing a whole album about it, Courtney Barnett referencing it in song, and Brian Nankervis winking at me from the stairwell once. If you wish to see the full spectrum of humanity encapsulated by a wannabe train, catch the 86 Tram and watch depravity and opulence cooperating in perfect harmony.